How to remove the dial of your pocket watch. Carefully turn the screw that holds the stem and crown it by 1 or 2 turns. Try pulling the crown to see if the stem comes out. If it's still stuck, turn it another turn and try again until it releases. Unscrew or remove the screw securing the movement to the case. In this case, there is only one screw, and it is located inside the case. But in most movements, the screws are on the top of the movement and are usually 2. Carefully use a hand puller to remove the hour, minute, and second hands. Using watchmaker's screwdrivers, loosen the 3 screws that hold the dial pins. In this case, Longines has 3 screws, but many pocket watches have only 2 screws.